Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with Social Media Ministries. Check it out. We have Social Media Ministries apparel available for you to purchase online. You can do so with the link in the description below. Couple notes on this is that we've created these shirts. Basically, it's just uploading our logo and creating a store that we are selling merchandise, apparel. You can get sweatshirts, you can get t-shirts, you can get tank tops, you can get v-neck shirts, you can get comfort tees, regular tees, you can get long sleeve shirts, all kinds of stuff available for you, and we're doing this not to make money. So all of the prices that you'll see by visiting the link in the description below, we've set this price at the lowest possible price, and it's all done through Spring, formerly known as Teespring. And so they tell us what it costs to produce each item made to order, and then they set a minimum price, and then we can set the price at any price over that and try to make money. Well, we've set this at the lowest possible price. And so what that means is that if you want to go on and order any of these shirts, we've got a ton of colors available, we've got a ton of different options, so please use the link, check it out, share our store on your social media, and anything you order, we are not taking a profit from that. We're not making money on the sale of this shirt. This is done exclusively and specifically to try to spread awareness, to reach more people. Maybe you'll be wearing this shirt somewhere and someone will say, hey, what does that mean? And then you can tell them about this online church, the sermons that they could go and watch on YouTube. So I highly encourage you to check it out. They're very reasonably priced, so don't worry about that. And again, they're the lowest we can go, so we can't go any lower than this. Check them out. If you have any questions, comment below. We'd love to help you out. If you want to purchase them and give them out or do anything like that, comment below so we can try to communicate and tag that in our social media as well. But at the very least, visit our store and take a look at what we have available. Thank you. God bless.